Всем позывным. Это жатва 0. Всем позывным. Это жатва 01. Вы под обстрелом на базе. Конец связи.
If I come out with my gun out in my hand, will you not kill me?
Жатва 01. Всем позывным. Американцы захватили базу.
Sorry about that, but yeah, I'm probably gonna need help here in the Pinewood Lake in a bit. I'm approaching there now, and I don't know how occupied it.
Oh, come down.
It is occupied by hot Russian men right now, so you should plan.
Oh, good shit. I love me some hot Russian.
Up and cheeked up Germans in here. Don't worry about it.
I am running there as fast as I.
You gotta make it quick. They're not gonna be here for long.
I'm from fucking West.
Men like that don't wait around.
Всем позывным.
They have rotund bosoms.
No.
Make it quick.
I lost the hot Russian.
Kill him. Kill him now.
They're gonna run the blitzkrieg on your ass.
Wait, no. He has information. Oh, no. Wait.
Coming in my ass.
No, we could have gotten information off of him, guys. Come on now.